It's only a toy. Have ice cream. Is it good?
Yeah. Oh, you tricked me? I'm feeling hungry.
Oh.
Wow, so many snacks. Where's here? How does it work? Welcome to my vending machine. 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 Let me try some snacks. Welcome to my vending machine. No snacks? Only empty cover? You need coins for snack. You need coins for snack. You need coins for snack. Coins? Okay. Put the coin in the machine for snack. Let me buy more snacks.
Oh.
No coins?
Ooh.
Nothing coming out? We only accept coins. We only accept coins. Only coins? Then give me my money back. We only accept coins. We only accept coins. Coins for snack. You need coins for snack. You need coins for snack. You need coins for snack.
Ashu, Did you finish your work?
Yes, Mama.
Okay, let me check.
Was that a dream?
Very good. Are you feeling hungry?
Yes.
Okay, let's go and have some snack.
Yes, Mama. This vending machine, it's scary, Mommy.
No, Ashu, it's just a vending machine. Banana.
Oh, it's just a vending machine.
Yes, Ashu.
Bike! I want bike! Cutie, I want bike! Cutie, I want no! Cutie, I want bike! Cutie, I want bike! No! I'm not gonna give you! I want bike, Cutie! No. Okay, I'm going to Mommy. Mommy! Cutie's not giving me bike.
Oh, again you girls started? Okay, let's go. Cutie! Cutie!
Yes, Mommy?
Cutie, I told you to share everything with your sister. Come on, give the bike to her.
Okay, Mommy. Take it, Ashu. Yay! Thank you, Cutie. You're welcome, Ashu. Yay! Cutie, I want to play tea party. Tea party? You got the bike. Play with that. Mommy!
What is it now, Ashu?
Cutie's not giving me tea party.
She gave you the bike, you play with it. No complaints, okay? Go.
Yes! You spying on me? You broke everything? I'll tell Mommy. You want to tell Mommy again? I will see you. Mommy, you know what?
What is it, Ashu?
Cutie broke all the tea set. You know, Mommy?
What? She broke the tea set? Let me see.
Come, Mommy, come.
Oh yeah!
Coffee is very nice. You want to have a cup, Mommy?
I'm okay, Cutie. She said you broke everything. Ashu, no lies, okay?
Okay. Oh, Ashu, you made a mess? Mommy! Cutie made a big mess. Come and see.
Mess? Yeah.
Cutie! Me? Cutie!
What is on your hands?
Oopsie. Oh, I'm sleepy. I'm going.
Ashu! Ashu, no lying! Don't mess up with the toys!
No lies! Where's my biscuits gone? Cutie, did you eat my biscuits? Biscuits? No. Nice smell.
Where is the food gone? Cutie!
Mommy.
Cutie!
Oh, what, Mommy?
Did you see my food?
Food? No. I'm just reading.
Huh?
I like to Ashu and Mommy. I don't want big nose. I don't want big ears. And I don't want big lips. No. Mommy.
What, Ashu?
Mommy, my biscuits is disappeared.
Huh? My cookies and my food disappeared too.
I'm sorry, Mommy and Ashu.
It's okay, Cutie. But next time, if you want food, ask and take the food, okay?
Okay, Mommy, I'll not do it again.
Good.
Mommy, hungry.
Oh.
Okay, come on. The pasta.
I don't know.
I'll get you something else. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, wait. You need to wash your hands. Come on.
Okay.
Wait, the fruits this time. Never mind. Let's go and get something, okay?
Okay.
Hey!
Come on. Let's go and get some ice cream.
Ice cream?
Oh, this ice cream looks so delicious.
Yeah.
Ashu, let's go and get some sprinkles.
Ice cream. Let me eat. Ice cream.
Oh yeah!
Spider.
It's only a toy. Have ice cream. Is it good?
Yeah. Oh, you tricked me?
Uh-huh.
Of course.